With the season changing from summer to fall and the cooler nights ahead, more and more people will be gathering around the fire pit to join family and friends. What if you don't have the space for a large glowing fire pit? Hey everyone, it's Tom from eReplacementParts.com, and in this video, we'll be showing you how to convert your old mower deck and washer drum into a flashy portable fire pit. The first thing you'll want to do is gather up some tools for the project. You'll need a few various sized wrenches along with an assortment of screwdrivers to help remove any components on your mower deck. You'll also want to clean up the mower deck surface, so grab an angle grinder, sander, and a wire brush to remove any loose paint or rust. Finally, when it comes time to mounting the dryer drum to the mower deck, you'll need a portable drill and an assortment of hardware, and optionally, the old backing plate from your washer basket. The first step in this project will be to remove the cables and pull cord and any other items that are attached to the deck. Next, we're going to flip the mower over and remove the blade and mounting bolts that attach the engine to the deck. Once we remove the engine, our next step will be to remove the grass chute and any other remaining plastic. Next, remove all the wheels and finally the handlebars. If you plan on painting your mower deck, you'll want to prep the surface by removing as much rust and loose paint as possible. If you just have a bit of loose paint, you can use the wire brush to scrape it away. If you have some heavy rusting, you'll want to use your angle grinder with a sanding disc to remove as much of it as you can. Next, install that backing plate from the washer basket and bolt it securely to the mower deck. Once your plate is installed, you're ready to give it a coat of paint. After you're happy with your paint job, you'll want to let it sit for a day or so to let it dry. Once it's finally dry, you can reinstall the wheels and handle. We decided to add a little more height to our fire pit by using the old bearing housing out of our old washer. Once you have your mower all back together, you can simply add the wash basket and you're ready to go. Now you have yourself a fine portable fire pit that will keep you warm all season long. Thanks for watching. If you have any ideas for a portable fire pit or have any comments on ours, leave them in the comments section below, and for more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.